With Erica Enders here, the Pro Stock winner at the Skag Superstar Shootout by JHG. Erica Enders, this is one of the most electric vibe races we've ever seen. Your sponsors were on board with this. Your team helped plan it.
Thank you.
How incredible for you to walk away with that trophy.
Man, it's more meaningful than most people ever comprehend. This entire event was just worked on so hard by so many people, the entire team at Pro, the entire team at Flo, and to have our biggest partners, Skag and JHG, jump in head first. From the time we rolled in the gate here, the feeling was different. I've won a lot of races in my life, but towing back the return road, the fan response was absolutely unparalleled to anything that I've ever done. So the energy here is electric, and obviously by this winner's circle, my new race car got broken just right. So I'm thrilled for our entire organization, and that final round was, like I said, extremely meaningful to me. I've been waiting a long time to do that, and my guys are stoked, and I'm stoked, and we parked the Smelling Performance, JHG, Skag, all my sponsors that make this happen, High Performance Lubricants. It means a lot to me, Court, as you know. So,
what kind of statement, just a quick couple of words, the statement that this race makes on the drag racing community?
Well, like I said in my top end interview, I think it turns the win light on for drag racing worldwide. I think it goes to show you that a group of people with a common passion and a common goal, when they work together and swim in the same direction, the entire universe is possible. So I think this is just the tip of the iceberg of what you're about to see from this group. But not a fan of the word epic, but this deal was freaking epic, and I'm so proud of it. I'm proud to be a part of it. I'm thankful to Flo for streaming it, for you for doing all the hard work behind the scenes, and
One of the more proud moments in my career, guys. I've tried to get away from it. My sister, I am proud to say, the Pro Stock winner of the Pro Superstar Shootout. Pro on Flo, baby.
Pro on Flo. Woo!